Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study science and fun. Begin by breaking topics into short experiments, list key questions, and set a 25-minute focused timer for active learning. Mix reading with hands-on demos and quick sketches to visualize ideas. Use simple analogies to link new concepts to familiar things, and teach a friend for 5 minutes to check understanding. Keep it playful and steady every study session. Start with clear goals and a short plan, then choose one core concept to master first. Use spaced repetition and active recall with flashcards and diagrams to reinforce memory. Perform quick experiments or simulations to test ideas and record results with simple charts. Alternate study modes every 30 to 50 minutes to maintain focus, and reward small wins to keep motivation high. Review mistakes as learning steps, not failures always. Find playful projects that match your interests and scale them to available time and materials. Combine videos, textbooks, and community labs to vary exposure and deepen insight. Use phone sensors or household items for low-cost experiments, and document results with photos and short notes. Pair up with peers for friendly challenges and explain concepts aloud to solidify knowledge. Keep a curiosity journal to track questions, and revisit them later for new discoveries.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.